is the car that's overheating?
Yeah, it's getting hot.
I mean, it is hot outside, but Ferrari not supposed to overheat.
It's passing 245 when you're on it, so. The quality is good, not bubbles. Other bike is like when you send it down and you prepare or anything, you can find bubbles.
Of 1016?
Yeah, 1016 is good. You know? Okay, I lose the tire and you remove it.
This guy, whenever he needs me, he actually like, come help me.
The people in front of camera, they're gonna say, oh yeah, Sharkis always help you.
You didn't realize it was that heavy?
No, I didn't. How sick is this? Oh, you taking a job?
Yeah.
How sick? You like the car?
Absolutely.
Love the car. Love the car. Just needs a detail, polish, and it'll be ready.
These guys are the best.
Thank
in
you.
the business.
Thank you. Thank you.
I brought it to the right place for sure.
Alright guys, we are standing in front of this really crazy Rolls Royce Cullinan. This is a brand new car, black with forged yellow interior. One of my favorite combinations ever. Black Cullinan is probably the easiest to make look the craziest. You guys saw that funky blue one we did and it looked incredible. This black one is completely different. As you can see, it does have the 1016 Industries wide body package. We are pumping this out weekly. It's the fastest wide body kit you could get on the market. It fits really good. You don't have to do all that crazy nonsense fixing of the waviness and all that stuff, gaps, whatever. This thing actually fits really well. Super happy with the kit. This is a black one, so we painted it. We didn't wrap it or anything like that, so all the flares, bumpers have been painted. And as you can see, very special wheels. These are the RDB 50 spoke 26-inch wheels. Nobody has that many spokes on a wheel. It's almost a full face, but it's not because it does have all the cuts. They're super concave as well. This is the most concave you can get on a 26-inch one-piece forging, and it's super aggressive, of course. 26s look great on the Cullinan, and honestly, this one drives pretty good. We did some modifications to the front, so there's no rubbing, believe it or not. This is in low mode, so you're not going to drive it in this mode. Right now, actually, the tire is sitting on the body, so you definitely have to raise it up to drive it, but we still lowered it, so in drive mode, you have about like 1.5 inch gap. The forged yellow interior really sets it off as well. Black on yellow, you can't go wrong. They used to have a brighter yellow, but this is more like a mustardy yellow. It's called forged yellow. So we actually previously blacked out this car. Me and Luis actually took this whole grille apart yesterday, and we took piece by piece the wrap off, so we get the chrome back in the front. And we have chrome emblems, and obviously the machined face of the wheel, so it all ties together. So just a little bit of chrome and mostly black. It looks incredible. Like I said, if you have a Cullinan, you want to do something like this to it, we're going to be the fastest, best quality. That's what we do here. So we're going to go back to building some more wide body Cullinans.
Enough is enough with all these shenanigans.
Come on, man.
Hold it up, fat ass. That's the dumbest thing anybody can do.
Okay, next.
Alright, I gotta take this G-Wagon out. We got a lot of repairs to talk about. There's a lot of new mechanical repairs that came in on a few exotics. So we're gonna walk you guys through the exotic mechanical repairs today. And please subscribe and support us every single minute.
We are standing in front of this Ferrari F8 coupe right here. This is a really special color. Look at the blue. It's like a blue purple hue, almost like that Cullinan we did, which is really cool. This color is growing on me more and more every time I see it on another car. But check out the custom Veloz wheels on there. 21 front, 22 rear. Two-tone, as you can see, the spokes brushed and then gunmetal. So it looks like a wheel in a wheel, and honestly goes really good with the blue. This car is not lowered suspension, rides like stock even on 2122s. Customer might lower, he's gonna drive it for now. I think it still looks really nice because it's almost like factory-like, especially with that Ferrari OEM cap in the middle. This is honestly sick because it's like sporty and classy at the same time. So yeah, we could do really dope wheels like this, two-tone, get cool and creative with it, or we could have done, you know, just chrome or silver, but I think this was the way to go. So hope you guys enjoy it. We're gonna take it back to the shop now.
What a hot day.
All right, guys, something different. We have a Jeep Trackhawk right here. This is a wide body car. You might recognize it a couple years back, I believe 2-3 years ago. We did this vehicle. This is actually Offset's car, and it was kind of like this Carolina blue color, really cool metallic blue we found for him that he wanted with that black stripe. Even had really concave wheels that were color matched to the wrap. So it was cool, but outlived. He wants to change it up. We were actually doing our podcast, and Offset FaceTimed us live and talked about this car.
Offset is FaceTiming me.
My Trackhawk line and wrap it black, satin black, gloss black stripe. I'm getting Cabo, so you got time to work on it. You know?
No problem, bro.
Now it's here. So we're gonna be wrapping it a different color and all that stuff, making it maybe a little bit cleaner. But yeah, this is a wide body Trackhawk, one of the first ones we did. Pretty cool to see Offset after a few years still had the same car and wants to change it up with the wrap. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm surrounded by like 7 Cullinans. It's kind of crazy. We have more than most dealers do. And almost every single one of them is gonna be wide body. A few of them are just body repairs, but we have so much going down. We have a lot of yours still going down, but it looks like right now it's the Cullinan takeover. Size won't even fit you, moron. Like, I don't even think this will fit him.
Hey, let me see the commercial. Let me see the commercial. Before was this one, and I rip it, but this one, sick, homeboy, sick, vato.
You didn't notice the RDB is wrenches, screwdriver. Look, it's all tools.
Oh, that's nice. Snap on. It's
Yeah, it's his birthday. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
I gave him a shirt for his birthday. We're gonna have him in vintage colorways and just regular black as well. Nothing on the back.
Nothing in the back.
Yeah, on that one.
Plain.
But then
It's
check
already-
out this design right here too. This is like the racing design. It has a bunch of RDBs.
Yeah,
and then the back has the big. This is what this guy wants, but he can't have it. And again, these are all custom made for RDB. We have obviously the signature Ferrari style one with the F8 in the back. The regular RDB, of course. Nothing in the back, just plain.
Put it here. Put it here. It's
RDB
the table.
in the front. This is a red Urus with like RDB graffiti all over it. Yeah, so we're gonna release all this on actually today on this video. So go on there, order them up. But yeah, we're coming back with our merch.
I just need to put my signature in this.
Signature.
It's Lewis's birthday today. Unfortunately, we're very busy. We didn't have time to get cake. But yeah, he's getting some free merch from Vic. So
You only got one shirt.
you got one shirt. That's the best one. That
Awful.
really.
You got to go to Vegas for your birthday. That's messed up.
Well,
Everything fit. I born in 1969, August.
Oh, your favorite number?
69 years.
large.
Yeah, you'll feel large.
Nice one.
Good work today, Sarkis. Enjoy your new pack of Dun Hills. And
Tomorrow's a short day, but we're back at work. We have a lot of work to do, so let's go home, take a shower, get some rest, go to Arby's, and we'll be back tomorrow. Thank you.